All right, guys, got this in. Loved it. Decided I'd share it with you. You can't get this from Zippo. This was something that somebody engraved with a laser printer, but like I said, I love it. Zippo. It says regular black matte. All it is. 218 regular black matte, but how cool is that? Did a great job on it. Already took the sticker off, put it back here. There's something on there, but love it. A25, so January 2025 this was made. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all because I really like it.